Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this awesome microwave popcorn popper. Absolutely love these. This is the Eco Solutions one, and I love it. It's got a built-in plastic handle, has a removable lid here, and the way this works is you fill this up to this line with popcorn kernels, pour it in there, and then you can put butter even in top here. It's got holes in it, and it'll melt and drip down on the popcorn as it's popping. You just simply take this is real glass here. It's microwave safe, obviously. You take this, put it inside your microwave, and literally make popcorn, microwave popcorn, but from scratch.